Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The Java platform on the PC enables you to run Java-based apps, web pages and games that need to be run within the Java virtual environment, which is causing the Java to drain a portion of the CPU. Uninstalling it will cause Java needing web pages, applications and games not to run properly, so it not advised.
Take our lead.
The fact is that for small utilities Java is a memory hog on most operating systems. The smaller the utility, the more obvious it really is. Java developers have long been conditioned to deal with or ignore this fact. The reasons for the seemingly abnormal memory usage are plentiful.
Let's help you make your mark.
Use Java TM Platform SE binary. You should right-click the jar file and select Open with from the context menu. Click Choose another app and then select to open it with Java TM Platform SE binary. Click the Always Use this app to open jar files checkbox.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The Java EE platform is built on top of the Java SE platform. The Java EE platform provides an API and runtime environment for developing and running large-scale, multi-tiered, scalable, reliable, and secure network applications.
Let's help you make your mark.
Download and install. Go to the manual download page. Click on Windows Online. The file download dialog box appears, prompting you to run or save the download file. To run the installer, click Run. To save the file for later installation, click Save. Choose the folder location and save the file to your local system.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.